I don't stop it. I mean, what can we do to solve it? Can't just sit around looking at old bitches talking about the old years. Time is now, this you or you chopped up and locked up. And yeah, this one that you can barely get up. And there's a child sick and starving. And you ain't a problem for me. The pain is real. So don't try to act like nothing happened. We didn't get much credit. Got neglected and left back. And now it's still just being accepted. It's I've been designed upon the enemies to make them regret that they stopped the people. Y'all pressing what I come, take a blessing out of the shoot down my race. And pour the board, they think about people getting dropped. Every day it's not stop. Did it fucking jeopardize and made it bust it right. What hard it costs, the aftermath on my people path got me here, but never lost a chance. You think it's great, put it up. No matter what you can't change my past. Yeah, I know it's hit right. Going to America.